those brown things are just giant piles of floating fire ants. Oh, you can't kill them damn things. Hey, it's SHOVELHEADFFEJ. I know the first thing that you're thinking is, oh my God, not another video on the hurricane. Well, you know, my channel is about me and my life, and right now that's pretty much what my life consists of, is putting things back together and dealing with the aftermath of Hurricane Ian. But this will be the last one about the hurricane. I won't have any more videos. I have hours and hours and hours of the hurricane and stuff like that. But right now, this is what we're dealing with, just hauling out dead trees and felled trees and debris and stuff like that. Like I said, bear with me. This will be the last one of the hurricane, even though it's going to be months and months, and it's going to take a long time for everything to get back together, traffic, and the cleanup, and seeing everything dead and piles and piles and piles of garbage. But that's the way that it is. Like I said, man, it's Florida. So anyway, you know, like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it if you guys will hit the subscribe button. I'm almost close to the goal that I'm trying to make, which is a very small goal, 10,000 subscribers. I have a lot of people that watch and they don't subscribe. Man, if you'll just hit the subscribe button, it doesn't cost you anything. You're not, you know, you don't have to sign up for anything or anything else like that. You're just helping an old guy out, and I do appreciate it. Anyway, on with the video. Sprinkler water line here.
Yeah, let's not hit the water line.
Hold on, I'll help you.
Oh. Yeah, we need like, this thing is heavy.
You need like 3. Ready?
Yeah.
God, you guys gave me the heavy end.
Okay.
We knew you could do that one.
That's what she said. So why not we tie this into the ground for the house, including since you're going to have it sitting up there. Does that cover come off? Yeah, I've got it covered up.
What do you think, David?
Is it done right?
It's not bad. I think we need
Are you now the electrical pro?
Yeah, we need an F42 on this.
Are you sure?
Is that going to be 120 or 140? Do you know? Whatever it takes.
220.
Yeah, what he said.
Yeah.
Damn, Jeremiah. I have to do everything for you?
Yeah, you do.
That's his
Oh my
lunchbox.
God.
I drove you here, driving Miss Daisy.
Oh shit, it's like that.
I see some hose, but I don't see a tool.
Yeah. Are you sure there's a tool down there?
I thought something fell. It was black.
Probably just that.
What was this?
Yeah, it was David.
Oh.
Yeah,
David fell. Now he's back up. Hurrah! You're up.
He's like, I'm sorry, this fucking bullshit.
It's on. I took it on. Just pull it.
I think you're going to have to give my ATV to Jeremiah just to get it right home.
Oh, come on. It's on. Go ahead.
All right. Are you sure
Put
it's
it on
on?
choke.
Oh.
No, that's off, David.
Oh.
Choke it.
Hey, they got me because I wasn't in on it. Well, that was the best, man. I was going to just shut the fucking thing off. I didn't know you guys were going to do that. I was going to shut it off and freak him out. But then you guys started yelling, fire, fire.
Well, they told me that it's against the law to scream fire in a crowded theater, right? I don't see any movie screens here.
I think it was a crowded farm or something like that.
Crowded electrical box.
Where cows are present, you can't do it.
You know, 20 minutes ago, Jeremiah had hair. I think
I had it. If my wife asks me why I'm grayer today, we know why.
Rodney, why are you standing there holding the camera while your wife?
Somebody's got to do this.
That's the excuse I would have used.
Man, I would much rather be doing what you're doing.
Got some Pampers for you.
Appreciate that.
I mean,
I
they're
was running
soaking
low.
wet. I don't know how.
Yeah, you want your camera back? I'm sure you do.
I just want to know these giant ass feet. I mean, these are my little tiny babies, but hey, gentlemen, we seen them first. So I got dibs on that one already. You want to fight me?
Oh
Babe, get him! I'm ready to fight. Yeah, I'll put her on you.
Here, man, I'm tired of holding this thing.
Oh no, you got to.
No.
You got who?
Well, I gotta shut it off is what I gotta do.
Hey, give me my goddamn camera.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm sorry, but you got to get used to it. Hey, it's SHOVELHEADFFEJ, and I'm with, I have no idea. Who is she? Who are
Oh,
you?
I'm Katie Benty.
That's, yeah, her, man. Yeah, hurricanes suck, but then sometimes you get this.
Oh, is that the light? Is that the light at the end of the tunnel?
That's the light at the end of the tunnel. My whole life, ever since I was a little kid, when I read Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe, I thought it was one of the greatest books. I've read that book so many times, but I've always wanted to live on an island. I've lived all my life on a peninsula, but I never got to live on an island. And finally, as I got older, I finally was able to live on an island. Thank you, Ian. You're the best hurricane nobody ever wanted. What are you talking about?
You're throwing water on me, and you're hitting me.
No, I can't put that on YouTube. I've never heard her. Except during that special time. Where are you at? Oh, there you are.
You're right.
SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com.
Yeehaw!
SHOVELHEADFFEJ.com.
Yeehaw!